Hi there! Thanks for joining me today. Welcome to Math with Mark, me, presented by my tutoring service, Mark's Tutoring. You can reach me for tutoring at markehanna@gmail.com. Let's get started with our lesson. Lesson number 1, evenly divisible by 2, 5, and 10. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to figure out if it's divisible by 2, 5, and 10, and then I will tell you why. Now, 2 5s and 10s are the easiest one because all you got to do is look at the last number. So I could put a monster number here, 9, 9, 4, 2. All right. That large number, all you got to do is look at the last number. So for 2s, to see if it's evenly divisible by 2, it must end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. The last number of this number is 2. We see it right here. And so this large number is divisible by 2. Next up, we have divisible by 5. And if it's divisible by 5, it ends in a 0 or a 5. This one ends in a 2. It's not a 0 or a 5, so it is not divisible by 5, evenly divisible. And last but not least, we have 10. If it's divisible by 10, it must end in a 0. This ends in a 2, so that means it is not evenly divisible by 2. Let's do one more example. Let's end it in a 0. All we got to do is change the last number and it changes what it's divisible by evenly. So, I'm sure you saw by now that they're all divisible by, all the numbers divide into this monster number evenly. There's a 0 right here, there's a 0 right here, and there is another 0. So this large number is divisible by 2, 5, and 10 because the last number is 0 and it qualifies for the rules for each of those three. Now, the reason why that happens is because we have a base 10 system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Meaning that we have 10 different digits for our number system. The one thing the whole world agrees on, except for the Sumerians. They use the base 60 system, but they're dead. Anyway, we use a base 10 system, and 10 is evenly divisible by 2 and 5, and so therefore you don't have to pay attention to any of these numbers because all of these numbers, 40, 840, 900, 9,840, they're all divisible by 2, 5, and 10. And that is how to do that. Thanks for joining me.